Do you want to see the difference? Okay, here is my butt. Here is my butt toggle. Let me just show you the butt. YouTube, don't ban me. Off, on. I think I mean, come on. I like it. It's cute. Look. It's exploding like I can't even wear the sweater. The boobies. Normal. Big tatas. They're already big. I actually have the boob smaller toggle on. Oh my god! Balloons! Okay, and then... Ta-da-da! Okay, yeah! Yabe! Yabe! This is yabe! Oh, they're kind of pressed in. Maybe it's better if they're not smaller. What do you say? I don't know why I'm even asking you. I don't know why I'm asking you.